Have you ever wondered how a light can turn on automatically when something comes close? Today, I will show you how to make a very simple proximity sensor circuit at home using basic electronic components. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I have made a simple infrared proximity sensor circuit using just one transistor and two IR diodes. This circuit is very easy to make and perfect for beginners. Let's first see the components used in this circuit. One BC547 NPN transistor, one infrared receiver diode, one remote control infrared transmitter diode, one 4.7 mega ohm resistor, quarter watt, one 120 ohm resistor, quarter watt, and a 9-volt DC battery or power supply. First, let's understand the BC547 transistor pin configuration. Facing the flat side of the transistor, the first pin is the collector, the second pin is the base, and the third pin is the emitter. This step is very important, so make sure you identify the pins correctly. Take the infrared receiver diode, which is black in color, and connect it between the collector pin and the base pin of the transistor. Next, take the infrared transmitter diode and connect it with the collector pin of the transistor. Make sure you connect the anode and cathode correctly. If you connect the infrared diodes in the wrong direction, the circuit will not work. Also, keep both the transmitter and receiver side by side and in the same direction, as shown in the circuit. After that, connect the positive pin of the LED diode to the emitter pin of the transistor. Now connect the 4.7 mega ohm resistor from the negative pin of the LED to the base pin of the transistor. Connect the 120 ohm resistor from the LED negative pin to the second pin of the infrared transmitter diode. Now take a 9-volt battery or DC power supply. Connect the battery positive to the collector pin of the transistor. Connect the battery negative to the point where both resistors meet with the LED negative pin. And that's it. Our circuit is complete and ready for testing. As you can see, when I bring my hand or any object close to the infrared sensors, the LED light turns on. And when I move my hand away from the sensors, the LED light turns off. This clearly shows that our proximity sensor circuit is working properly. Now let me explain how this circuit works. The infrared transmitter continuously emits IR light. When an object comes close, this infrared light reflects back and is received by the infrared receiver diode. This reflected signal activates the BC547 transistor, allowing current to flow. As a result, the LED turns on. When there is no object nearby, no infrared light is reflected, the transistor remains off, and the LED turns off. This simple proximity sensor circuit can be used in automatic door sensors, object detection projects, touch-free switches, beginner electronics learning projects, robotics and automation experiments. If you like this simple electronics project, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy DIY electronics projects. Comment below if you want more sensor circuits or upgrades for this project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.